Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a fuzzy texture on Adobe Illustrator CC. So just like kind of draw this random line. You can draw whatever kind of like line you want, of course. Then go to the ellipse tool and just create a circle. You don't want it to be too big, especially if you have like your line is small, okay? And then I'm just going to color it in with a gradient like so. And I'm just going to copy and paste it. Select both and go to Object, Blend, Make. And if yours doesn't look like this, make sure your blending options are like this, kind of like this. You can even make the specified steps bigger, so 2000 maybe. Select both, go to Object, go to Blend, and select Replace Spine, like this. Select this object, go to Effect, and go to Distort and Transform, and select Roughen. And here you can adjust the size, and also you can also select smooth if you want, and like the detail too, and just adjust it. And once you're done, select OK. And that is how you can create a fuzzy texture on Adobe Illustrator CC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!